Odogwu Bobo.
Aisha.
Odogwu.
Aisha Tomo.
How are you?
My Tamamo.
Aisha.
How are you?
I want you to call me that. Fine. How are you too?
What is happening with you now?
I am fine. How are you? How are you?
Okay, I was in the kitchen when you called me. What up?
Fine.
Yes.
I want us to play a game today.
I was cooking, no.
But we can still play the game.
Okay. What game is that? Come on, my friend. Let me off what I'm cooking. Which game is that?
Okay. Up it.
Which?
Up it. It is true and dare. True and dare. You know the game.
Okay, truth or dare. Okay, truth. Okay.
I play it. I played it on school when I was on school. I played very well. I know how to play it very well. I
remember the game. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's do this.
It is true or dare. When I say true, come on, you choose true. If it's true, you choose. You tell me anything. True.
Okay.
If it's dare, you choose. I dare you do something. You must do it or they go bobo. Like if it's true, come on, you must say the truth. You must not lie in the wait. It has two lifelines. Two lifelines. When I ask you question, you don't want to, then you drink water. You see my bottle water? I have two. I brought two already. You see it? I show you two. So you get water. You get your own bottle.
Okay. If I don't want to do it, I will drink water.
You will drink water when you don't want
I
to.
don't have bottle water.
But it is two lines. You get water.
Okay.
When you say you don't have.
Let me get pure water. The one I have. Let me get the water.
So,
I have pure water with me
now.
now.
Just keep it.
I have water.
You just keep it on standby.
Okay.
Keep it on standby.
Okay.
When I ask you question one, you say you don't want to answer, or idea you say you don't want to dare, so you can drink water.
Okay.
I will do it 2 times. After 2 times, you can never ever drink the water. You must answer the question.
Let's do this. Let's do it. Okay.
I start. So you choose Yanzu. Truth or dare?
Truth.
You'll tell me truth. Okay, you tell me what you eat this morning.
I eat ofen sala na akpu and ofen sala.
You eat apple.
Fufu kalaka. Fufu.
Oh, you enjoy this morning.
Yes. You. Truth or dare.
So I just truth like you.
Truth. Okay.
I do what
Truth. Okay. Aisha, I want to ask you, do you even cheat? Do you cheat? You are too fine. Do you cheat?
You are a very funny man. Am I a human being? I'm a human being. I breathe, I sleep.
Okay. Because you are too fine. You don't look like you cheat. Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah. You choose again. True or dare?
True.
Kai, you cannot choose true. What true? You choose dare. You must choose dare.
Okay. Dare. Yes.
Okay. I dare you to tell me your ATM number, your ATM pin.
ATM pin, what? KGM. Hey, this girl in a toy galapota. ATM pin. I drink water, oh my dear.
You cannot tell me your ATM pin.
I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you.
You drink that water. Okay.
Your turn now. Truth or dare?
It's my turn. I choose dare.
Okay. I dare you to show me this your hair that you have been hiding since. Show me your hair. I show
you my hair.
Yes, show me your hair.
Kambu. Like it will pass. I will drink water.
Aisha, show me your hair now. What is there? Aisha. Come on. Jesus Christ. Okay.
I drink water.
Okay, I read.
So your turn. Truth or dare?
Dare. I dare.
Oh, dare.
Yes.
I dare you to bleat like a goat.
I should bleat like a goat too.
Yes,
Aisha, you want me to be fooling myself now, eh?
Do man, it is the point. You do it.
Okay.
I'm confused. You look like a goat. Stop the Allah. You look like a
God bless you. Be there, be insulting me. Okay. My turn now.
Your turn.
Truth or dare?
I just dare.
Okay. I dare you to break dance for me. Do break dance for me. Break dance. Don't drink water. Don't drink water. Do it for me, Joe. It's for fun. Don't drink water.
I will not drink water. I will do it. Okay. I start.
Okay.
I do.
Why are you sitting down now? Stand up and do it properly now, because they sit down and do break dance. You know they watch Michael Jackson and then P Square. Stand up, Biko. Stand up.
Don't laugh at me.
I will not. Okay. You don't do before you break, because you don't do before you break. I've seen it. I've seen it.
It's my turn.
Yes.
I ask you. Truth or
I will
dare?
not choose truth again. Dear.
You want to choose it?
Dear. Nothing.
So, I dare you to say the word parallelogram. Say parallelogram. Say it.
Palagene.
Parallelogram.
Aisha. You are looking for who to disgrace. I drink water. I drink water.
You don't want to say it.
Because I drink water. I drink water.
It's the last water you take, you'll never demand.
It's true. It's my last lifeline, you know. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. You, truth or dare?
I just dare. I follow you.
Okay. You will do this one. No better don't drink water. I dare you. I dare you to work for me. To work for me. To work.
Aisha, I twerk for you.
Working for me.
I show you. I will finish this
one. Aisha, I think it's for fun now. To work now. Hey, Aisha. Okay. You drink.
My stomach should put water.
Sorry.
Joe, it's your turn. It's your turn. Okay. You choose something good. Truth or dare?
Dare.
Joe. I dare you to bark like a dog.
Dog what?
Yes, bark like a dog.
Okay. Let me show you. Let me bark like a dog that they fed well. All those German Shepherd dogs, all those English dogs. The way they used to bark. All those they are big dogs. You know. Those are
Yes, I know.
That is German Shepherd. But let me show you. Let me back like Nigerian dog. All those dogs that a cook. That for dog. The owner they tell us say make him go outside go hustle for food. So for 1 week he never chop. So see the way Nigeria a cook a dog used to back. Do you know what he's saying? You know. You say I go miss hunger.
Young man.
Okay, you now your turn. Truth or dare?
I choose dare anyway.
Okay. Very simple one. I dare you to smile for me. That your beautiful smile.
You don't say it. I swear.
I'm now beautiful smile. I'm okay now. Don't worry, I'm okay. Oh yeah.
Okay. Final idea. You choose dare or true?
Okay. No, I've been choosing dare. So let me choose truth now. Truth.
Okay.
Yes.
Truth. You tell me the truth.
Yes.
I want you to tell me the truth.
Yes.
How many girlfriend do you have?
How many what?
How many girlfriend do you have?
I drink water. I drink water.
You cannot drink water. You finish your water.
I drink it again.
You cannot drink your water, but you finish it. You have two lifeline. Come on, you finish your 2 lifeline. You cannot drink water again. You tell me how many girlfriends.
Hello? Hi. Oh, network want to spoil this game now. Network want to spoil this game now. Hello, Aisha. Hello. Hi. Network want to spoil this beautiful game. Aisha. Hi. Oh, let's continue tomorrow. I cannot. Network. So network want to. Bye. Network. Bye.
I know say you love me, and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, oh, click on that bell too, and so that you be getting notification whenever I post. Oh, I love you too. Biko, no, go. We are begging you, please go. Oh.